everybody that's here. I'm not cleaning that chair. I will fall.
The bed, up on the bed.
And
chair.
I mean,
So beautiful.
Now I can't see. What an heroic pose.
Yes.
I mean, today when I see so much people in this house, I really regret having to go back to Brazil tomorrow because actually, okay, man, cut the I really think that I never had so much friends in this country before. I mean, when I came here, I could barely fill my apartment with so much people, and this for me is very special to have so much people and having all these people to share this moment with me. It's very special for me. But I mean, I have to go. We have decisions in life, things that we want to do, and whatever.
It's a global village, man.
What?
It's global village.
Yeah, I mean, I'm going to this corner of the global village that's down there in south, and sometimes you don't hear about it very much, but it's very special and it's very nice. And I really would like you to visit me.
Yeah, let's go to Brazil, everybody.
I can always visit you because, you know, I know the path. I did it once, and I was here for 2 years. And I don't think that someone here, besides this annoying guy,
I'm recording for posterity.
was there for 2 years. So if you want to go there for whatever time, I would be very happy to show it around and show a bit of my country. Anyways, we have still a bit of drinks and
Yeah! Whoa!
thanks a lot and goodbye to everybody. Okay. Okay, guys.
Como é que bota a música? Como é que bota a música?
Valeu, brother.
This is not a Dutch party, so you can stay and drink more. Okay.
That's how it works.
Gatinho, olha.
You learn this
You should
play
Sei, sei, gatinho.
Where's the sound, man? Where's the music? Why it's not playing the music? Hey!
Hey, hey.